I have a confession to make. I am a sucker for craft tools. And the lovely people at Munbyn just sent me this new, look at this, handheld 2-inch label maker. And I'm going to show you how cute and easy it is to use. Love this thing. I have a lot of plans for it. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at what's in the box. It has a guide to what to do, including this QR code that you can scan to go get the app for your phone at Google Play or the App Store, depending on what type of phone you have. Nice detailed directions, which also has that QR code in there. Cute little printer, fits in the palm of your hand, really nice and light. And I have to say, I'm very impressed with how long of a cord they give you. It seems like so many people give you like 3 inches of a cord anymore that it's really hard to work with. Now let's see what comes inside. To open the unit, you just push this button down and this will flip up. There's a little serrated edge here, kind of like on saran wrap, that will cut those stickers as they come out. And it comes with a roll of rectangles, 2 inches by 1.2 inches. When it comes packaged, your stickers are laying down. But then when you're ready to use them, you need them to start coming out. So you're going to put them down like that. Make sure it is parallel to this. And make sure the stickers are evenly spaced in here. If they're too far to one side or the other, your stickers aren't going to print evenly where you expect them to. Then you just click that down and it's going to push one sticker forward. So there will be times where you're going to have a blank sticker. You can just use it like as a tape sticker or whatever. You can go to the Apple App Store and grab the Munbyn Print app for your iPhone, or head over to Google Play and grab it for your Android device. If you decide to get one of these fun little machines, you can go to my blog, and I have made a few images that you'll like if you love to sew or quilt. All you need to do is hover over which image you want, right-click, and choose Copy Image Address. Once you've copied the URL, you're going to open your phone, go to Safari, and paste it. Then you're going to see the image. You're going to click this button, and I'm sorry, I don't know how to do this on Android, so you're going to have to figure that part out. Click that X, and then I'm going to go down until I find Save Image. That is going to put the image into my photos. So I open my photos, there's my image right there. Then make sure you have given your app access to your photos so that when you go in, you can click Images, that will open your album. You can choose the image that you just downloaded, click Done, and create a new sticker. Now let's walk through exactly how to make one. This will always open your image in the center of the sticker. You can then move it, you can make it smaller, you can turn it, whatever you want to do to adjust whatever image you use, whether it's one that you got from me or one that you found in the app or somewhere else. Then I'm going to add some text, double click. I want quilt on a separate line, so I'm going to hit the return, and then I'm going to move that. You can change the size if I don't love the size. I can change the font. Go in here, choose English, lots and lots of fonts to choose from. Here we go. I love this one. Okay, but now I want 2 to be on a separate line also. There we go. I like that layout. I can zoom in so I can see it a little bit better. Make that font a little bit bigger, get that all lined up, move that over a little bit. All right, I like it. Get my little machine over here. It shows the device with a green check mark. That means it is connected and ready to print. I'm just going to hit print. And that is how fast it is to make your stickers from this app. So much fun.